That's what happens when you break everybody off.
Alright, so I had posted the other day I was looking for an extended hose for the Lincoln. So this is what I found. I found one off of a I want to say it was a Continental. I'll look up the part number for you guys, but this is the old one. You can see it's short. This one here, it's way longer. I mean, this is fully locked up and it's got some slack on it. The only thing I had to do was change this fitting here. It has this big spacer right here, and it wasn't allowing it to sit in the new hose. So I just cut that, changed that fitting, and then on the very bottom, there's a little lip on this aluminum part, and it was hitting the little back part, so I had to shave it down. Just hit it with a little flat disc. Just shaved it down. So this one's flat. That one had a little mark, a little groove on it. So I shaved that down, and then I added one more crust washer, and fit right in there. Took a little bit, but hey, there it is. I didn't have to cut the hose and the line and redo it, or I didn't have to you know, go make a special hose that's gonna cost who knows how much. I mean, I got this hose here for about 20 bucks. Let's go get you the part number. There's the aftermath, you know, just a cheap little thing to recrimp it. Let me see here. Here we go. Here's the hose. There's your part number. I got it from AutoZone. Like I said, it was like 20 bucks. $18 and change. Give it a shot. If you got any questions or anything, just let me know. Goodbye.
Alright, traded my Lincoln off for this. This is basically a junk car, but it has good hydraulic stuff. I take the rack out, batteries, pumps, everything. Take all this shit off for hydraulics. Use what I can off the body, and she's gonna go to the scrap yard after that. The frame shot. What's crazy is the frame up here is perfect shape. It's shot, right? It looks like they reinforced about everything. They reinforced this. You can see where the plate back there starts. But you get there and wonk, wonk. Wonk, wonk. Yeah, right there's another one. I take it that's probably from hopping it. I don't know. But yep, I'm going to use her as parts for another Fleetwood. Hopefully that'll be done before spring. I'm looking for a nice clean Fleetwood now.
It's stuck under here. It's stuck under here. It's stuck under. Very good. What's that stuck shit y'all saying on Facebook? Stuck, that's all I got.
All right, get that piece of shit out of here.
That's the winner right there. That's that winner right there. Game over. Turn the lights up.
Hey, shout out to Coolbird.